Hi everyone, today we're doing a demonstration of the InfiRay M6T vehicle mounted thermal unit. As you can see, I've got it displayed on a tablet here. The device is a vehicle mounted thermal imaging scanner that wirelessly transmits the signal to a tablet of your choice. In this example, we have an iPad Pro. It's got a wired remote on a joystick. Essentially, you've got, and I should have a light on here. You've got the joystick. It is corded. This allows the unit to maintain signal to the device at all times. But essentially, you've just got a joystick operation. It will move as fast or as slow as you want to move your thumb on the joystick. Your additional option that you have for scanning is on the screen here, and it gives you the ability to do fast, mid, or slow, and you essentially just take your finger and move it in any direction. It's actually on a gyro, the unit is, so it stabilizes it when you're off-road and makes it a nice fluid motion for scanning. Additional features on the remote control, you've got two trigger buttons. If you double tap the top one, that's going to nuke the system. If you press it once, it actually activates this blue box and gives you a picture-in-picture here for the rangefinder. So it's got the laser rangefinder system built into it. Wherever that blue box is the range it's going to give you. So as you can see, when I'm scanning, anytime I get in between those trees, it increases the range there. So the additional button on the bottom is an actual laser pointer, which it will put a green X on your screen. And then I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's the green dot. So it allows you to essentially paint your target or whatever direction you're looking. If you're riding with passengers and you're pointing in a particular direction, you can mark them with the green. You can mark the target with the green laser. So those are the features of the wired remote control. Now, as we go to the tablet, you'll see that it opens up some additional features. Particularly like the fact that it has the direction indicator there. So it shows you where you're pointed, because sometimes you get disoriented when you're out in the hills searching. That's a super neat feature. You've got a nuke button at the top here. Your picture, still picture, that's your video, and then your zoom button there. It also has the ability to mark on maps your location. Come around to this side, you've got your settings button here, and if you hit settings, it gives you multiple features. One of those is the sleep mode, standby. If you press standby, the unit's still powered on. It'll just tilt the camera down so that the lens is protected as you're driving. You've got your palettes, you've got black hot, you've got rainbow, so you've got some of your features there as far as the different color palettes go. We'll go back to black hot because that picture quality is truly insane. It's super nice picture. You've got your ambient stabilization mode there. So it's going to allow you to pan back and forth. You can set those motion points and the unit will scan. And then you've got your Wi-Fi information. So that's the setting. As far as the settings feature, you also have the option to activate the rangefinder from here, the laser pointer, and then if you come up here to the top, you have a couple of different options. One of those is to set your home point, or 0, and return to home, just simply by pressing that button. So if we were off here to the side, and let's say we wanted to orientate ourselves with the road or trail that we were on, we would just hit that button and it's going to return to the last set home that I had on it. So that's some of the features of the M6T from InfiRay. It's available at deadhal.com. Please feel free to message us if you have any additional questions.